Let's make this creamy eggplant tomato dip today. This dip takes less than 15 minutes to make from start to finish. It's very easy and it's very delicious. Let's start. For this recipe, we will use a large eggplant. We'll cut this eggplant into thick slices, about 1 inch to 2 inch slices, and take tomatoes and cut them into half. Now I will heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. My oil is hot and I'm adding eggplant slices in it and also cut tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, and cover them. I want to brown these slices on one side first, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat, and then flip all the slices and also flip the tomatoes. They are brown and they are charred, and that's how we want them. Now we have to give them another 2 to 3 minutes and make them same brown and charred on the other side. Always a good idea to cover it because the eggplants cook by the steam, and here all these pieces look soft and cooked. And I think we are ready to add some spices. Ground spices and season with a lot of salt as per your taste. Cinnamon goes very good in this dip. It's a very warm spice, and here it is. And I think I'm now ready for the next step of mashing this mixture. It's important to let it sit for a few minutes before you mash it, and then it becomes very easy to mash it. I leave the skin on. Here I'm going to taste a little bit to make sure the salt is good. Adding a little more salt. It was low on salt. Add some chopped onions, chopped mint, mix everything, and it is ready. If you don't like the taste of raw onion, you can also add pickled onion, and the recipe for that and the video for that is on my channel. I will add the link below in description. Try this delicious dip. It's wonderful. It goes great with some toasted bread or some crackers, and enjoy.